Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get free gems in 99 Nights in the Forest. Basically here, it's for taking classes. If you go to view class shop here, you'll be able to purchase classes. The max you'll need is like at 600. You'll need to, if you want to be a pyromaniac for some reasons, I don't know what it's for. But that's what it's for. And to get free gems, you're just going to go to the to the gems, go to codes and enter after party, and you're going to press submit. Then there's also candies here. My friend's trying to talk to me, but I'm working. And the code for the candy is Halloween party. I forgot what it is. It's Halloween something. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.